A simple yet stunning circular border pattern that's going to add a unique touch to your fabric. First, let's draw our circular guidelines on the fabric. I'm using my pen to draw two parallel circles on the fabric. I've drawn an inner circle and an outer circle, leaving a 2 centimeter gap between them. This 2 centimeter space is where our embroidery design will live. Take your time to draw your circles as neatly as possible, as these will guide all your stitches. Now let's thread our regular embroidery needle with the beige floss. We're going to fill the entire 2 centimeter gap between our inner and outer circles with straight stitches. You can draw circles or even oval shapes or any other outline you prefer for this border. Get creative with your base shape. Leave a small gap of about 2 or 3 millimeters between each straight stitch as you work your way around the entire circle. Try to keep the spacing between your straight stitches consistent. This will make your weaving much easier and ensure an even texture in your finished design. Thread your tapestry needle with the white floss. Now we're going to stitch through these beige straight stitches. Bring your needle under 2 straight stitches and under again to secure it, then the next 2, and continue this alternating pattern as you travel around the circle. You'll be creating a textured surface that builds on top of the straight stitches. This forms a beautiful interlaced effect that looks like a raised chain of sorts. Continue weaving all the way around the circle, carefully passing your tapestry needle through the straight stitches without piercing them. See how the white thread creates this beautiful, almost rope-like texture on top of the beige straight stitches? This is what gives our border that unique raised appearance. This project is fantastic for adding a decorative touch to many things. Imagine this beautiful border adorning the neckline of a plain dress or blouse, adding a unique detail to a cushion cover or even as a central motif on a tote bag. You can also vary the colors of the straight stitches and the weaving thread for endless possibilities. Try using a contrasting color for the weaving to make it really pop. I hope you enjoyed learning this beautiful circular border pattern today. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more creative embroidery projects. Happy stitching!